Have you heard about the big changes that's about to take place with your credit score? Stay tuned because I'm getting ready to drop all the hottest new information about what's about to happen with your credit by this summer. What's up, everyone? It's Terry on Demand, where we're excited about helping you build your legacy by maximizing your lifestyle and your finances. Go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and let's jump right into the video. So everyone knows that credit is such a vital part of our lives. You know, by the time we even realize how important it is, it's because we've gone to go and apply for something that requires our credit to be pulled. Well, the government is going to make some changes to how the credit report is scored. So the first thing that they are going to do is allow you to pull your credit report weekly. Now, typically you're able to pull your credit report. Generally, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax will allow you to get an updated or refresh report once a month. But now with this new tactic that they're using, you're going to be able to pull your credit report weekly and get that updated report every week. Now, the next thing that's going to happen is those buy now, pay later accounts, you know, where you go and you purchase something online and then they give you the option to perhaps pay in installments. Well, now that's going to be a part of your credit report. So if you're out there using those buy now, pay laters, you want to make sure that you stay on top of your payments because that's now going to be going on your credit report. Now, here's the big one. If you have any medical debt that has shown up on your credit report, but let's say you've paid off that medical debt, in times past, that medical debt will still stay on your credit report, even if you paid it off. Once it hits your credit report, it would just sit there for the next 7 years. But with this new incentive that's coming up, and this new change, should I say, which is going to start in July of 2022, any medical debt that has been paid off will be removed from your credit report. Another great thing that's happening with your credit score is that any medical debt that's under $500, it will not show up on your credit report. Times past, anything that was a collection that was over any amount that you owed for a medical debt, it will show up on your credit report if that's what the creditor wanted to do. Well, moving forward, starting this summer, anything that's under $500 will not show up on your credit report. The next thing that's going to happen is, let's say you do have a medical debt that's over $500. Well, what's going to happen moving forward is that you'll be allotted 12 months to make a payment arrangement with your creditor for that medical bill so that you could start paying on it and setting up a way for you to pay off that debt before it could even hit your credit report. Now, the next big change that they're speaking of that's going to happen is any delinquent account that's on your credit report, it will no longer stay for 7 years. You know, normally you have to wait that 7-year time frame before it even falls off your credit report. Well, now the government is trying to do away with that and only allow it to stay on your credit report for 4 years. I think this is a great way and a great time. If they do enact this, it would be great because you wouldn't have to stretch 7 years out just for something to fall off your credit. The last thing that's going to be an adjustment to your credit report is anytime an employer pulls your credit report, they can no longer use your bad credit against you as a reason to not hire you. In times past, employers could take a look at your credit report, and if they figure that you're not a good manager of how you manage your money, they could not hire you because of that. But now moving forward, the employer cannot use bad credit as a reason to not hire you. Just jump right in and take a look at one of the websites that has the information that I'm going over. And this is the AARP website, in which it's going over the 4 big changes that are coming to the credit reports and the credit scores. So you want to keep a lookout on this because
This will benefit a lot of people, especially when it comes to medical debt being removed from the credit report, and even the medical debt creditors having to give you more time to make payment arrangements. So once again, this is just another website that's showing the different things that I talked about when it comes to the changes that are going to happen with your credit score. So right here, this is the buy now, pay later accounts added to your credit files. And this is where they're talking about, the credit reports being available to you. Yeah, so once again, big changes coming to your credit report. So you want to go ahead and make sure you monitor. There's many different types of free monitoring services that you can use. So this will be a great benefit to many people.
Thank you so much, everybody, for tuning into Terry on Demand, where we're all about building legacy and focusing on improving your finances and your lifestyle. Thank you so much once again. Why don't you go ahead and click that subscribe button, smash that like button, and don't forget to go ahead and click on that notification bell so that you can get all the upcoming episodes on Terry on Demand.